In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change administrator name on Windows 10. The process is simple, but it's important to follow each step carefully so the new name updates correctly across your system. Let's get started. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard to open the Start menu. In the search bar, type Account, then click on Your Account Info from the results. This will open the Account Settings page. Next, click on Manage My Microsoft Account. This will redirect you to the Microsoft Account website in your web browser. Once the Microsoft Account page loads, look for the Your Info section and click on it. Here, you'll see your current account details. Click on Edit Name. Now, enter your new first name and last name in the provided fields. Make sure the spelling is correct, as this name will appear across Windows and during login. After entering your new name, complete the CAPTCHA verification to confirm the change. Once that's done, click Save. For the changes to fully apply, you'll need to restart your computer. After restarting, your administrator account name will be updated and visible across your system. And that's it. You've successfully changed the administrator name on your Windows 10 account. Keeping your account information up to date helps with both personalization and system management. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other Windows tutorials.